Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn daily use English sentence. Let's start. परवा, मागच्या रविवारी, मागच्या रविवारी, काल रात्री. How to say in English. सकाळी in English, in the morning. दुपारी in English, in the afternoon. सायंकाळी in English, in the evening. आज सकाळी in English, this morning. आज दुपारी in English, this afternoon. लवकर सकाळी in English, early morning. उशिरा सकाळी in English, late morning. काल सकाळी in English, yesterday morning. उद्या सकाळी in English, tomorrow morning. रात्री in English, at night. आज रात्री in English, tonight. काल रात्री in English, last night. उद्या रात्री in English, tomorrow night. आज in English, today. उद्या in English, tomorrow. काल in English, yesterday. परवा गेलेला in English, the day before yesterday. परवा येणारा in English, the day after tomorrow. मागच्या रविवारी in English, last Sunday. मागच्या रविवारी in English, the Sunday before last. पुढच्या रविवारी in English, next Sunday. पुढच्या रविवारी in English, a week next Sunday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.